cabbage. Now repeat after me. Cabbage, cabbage, cabbage. Meaning, cabbage is a leafy green, purple, or white vegetable with a dense, round head made of layers of leaves. It is often used in salads, stir-fries, and soups. In a sentence, she chopped a cabbage to make a fresh coleslaw for the barbecue. Here, cabbage refers to the vegetable she prepared for the salad. Let's try another example. The farmer grew rows of cabbage in the field for the winter harvest. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using cabbage. Synonyms. Some related terms for cabbage are cruciferous vegetable, a category of vegetables that includes cabbage, kale, and broccoli. Leafy vegetable, a type of vegetable made up of edible leaves like cabbage or spinach. Antonyms. The opposite of cabbage would be none. As cabbage is a specific vegetable, it doesn't have a direct opposite. Part of speech. Cabbage is a noun referring to a leafy vegetable with a dense, round head. Subscribe for more words like this. See you.